Hi everyone, it's Mike from Usuallybrokencars, and today I'm going to be doing just a very quick unboxing of the Nurnberg complete tool chest and roll cab. So it's an all-in-one, it's all comes sort of lined. I'm not entirely sure if it's a rebrand or if there's the same company selling it with a different name, but yeah, let's get into it, let's have a look. So just a very quick side note, it looks like the toolbox is available in multiple brands. So you've got like Widdman, Ftools, and then I think there's another one like Sitetools. And I think basically all they do is rebrand it themselves. But yeah, like I say. So this is it. It turned up today on a pallet. It was £500 with free delivery. Again, I don't know if that's going to speak for the quality of the tools. I've never heard of Nurnberg. But yeah, let's open it up and let's have a look, see what we get inside it and see what sort of quality the tools are.
A few moments later.
So Aaron has just given us a hand, so we should have a look. I mean, instantly, I'm pretty impressed. Stainless steel top, and there's obviously you've got your key in there. How many's in there? Two keys, it's cool.
Handle.
So I have noticed there is a few marks on it, like some damage to the paint there and on that same corner, so I'm guessing that's just happened in transit, I would imagine. But again, for the money, I'm still not that bothered. So we stood it up. I'm just going to, unfortunately, but as we expected, if it comes laying down on a pallet, everything is out. 6-sided sockets, which is always nice. To be fair, I actually think that's quite a good fit as well. You wouldn't really want to put much more in there. And I think the only thing that's missing is you'd want some more extension bars, because that's not a lot of extensions. These are plastic coated, which is quite nice actually. Never seen them like that before. So rubber handle, plastic coated. What's the ratchet like? It's fairly fine too.
It's quite fine.
It's good actually.
Yeah, that is quite a fine ratchet on
That's good. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, you've got 1/4, 3/8 and a half, and again you've got all the appropriate sockets deep, and then you've got some impact sockets in colour coordinating. What else have we got? So next drawer down, we've got lots more sockets. Now, what I will say is I'll be very dubious to the strength of that.
But I don't think
It's not obviously designed for like necessarily undoing at the tightest point, but it'd be really handy. But it is 1/2 inch, that's quite a long one.
did I miss one?
Yeah, you
I
did.
did.
Okay, so this one's been put in backwards, and I think this drawer is actually, it's the only one that I think in the box looks a bit sparse. To be fair, I've just poked a hole in it with the screwdriver. That's not quite as strong as I was expecting.
Nothing at all. It's good that you get full grips, that's fine.
What's it go up to? Can you see?
I'll sheave it.
Is it 1/2 inch or 3/8?
1/2 inch.
So there's a 1/2 inch torque ratchet, which is always handy, or wrench, as the Americans call it. 214 foot-pound
Oh,
torque.
it is a sensible size. Newton meters, 210 Newton meters.
Okay. And then you've got ratcheting spanners. I think this is the only spanners you get in the set are ratcheting spanners. Maybe heat shrunk it. And to be fair, that feels like quite a meaty ratchet. And it goes from 8 through to 22. It's not often you see a 22mm ratchet either. Absolutely. Look at that for a fit. Drawer number 4. Screwdrivers. And again, to be fair, obviously we've already used one of the drivers, but they're magnetised. So we've got hammer through in Phillips and flats, and a little stump as well. That's handy. And then there's a couple of little technical screwdrivers, I think you'd call. Torques.
Yeah,
I didn't even know that. That's really cool. So there's a set of Torques drivers in there as well. Next up we have the plier drawer. I'll lift it out. Now my only complaint with this would be is why is there a claw hammer? I mean, there should never be, well, some screws. There should never be a claw hammer. That should, and it's small as well. You're not going to hit anything with that. But yeah, that's my only sort of complaint with that sort of side of things.
It wants to be a ball peen hammer.
It wants to be a ball peen and at least sort of 16 ounces. I bet that's an 8 ounce. That's ridiculous. And a bit rusty as well. It's a bit of a pants finish on that. Okay.
So far, that's the least impressive part of all.
It is, yeah. Again, it's nice. They've oiled all of the tools though, so that they don't. What's that sort of feel like? Is it sprung or?
No, just.
That's good. I hate them when they're sprung anyway. Let's get a cable tie.
Yeah, definitely.
That's good. So bent pliers. That's always really handy. Yeah. So there's 4 different circuit pliers, so that's really handy. Right. So Aaron has got like the thickest.
I've gone for a thick one.
Thick one. So I'm just going to see if it actually happily cut through it. That's actually reasonable.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't have to put too much pressure on it.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so the last drawer that's got any tools in is the one that's got these sort of T-handles or T-bars as people call them, I think. And we've got Torques and Allen keys, again of a good size. So they're fairly straightforward actually. They go up to a reasonable size, so 10mm. That's pretty good. And the other thing is as well, I've noticed, is that there's some holes here in the top, so I'm guessing they're maybe to put drivers, drop your screwdrivers in, so if you're using them. This one goes through, so it doesn't matter on the length. These ones will go through into the storage unit in the side. Keep them, have a look.
I quite like the fact that the key stays
In the lock.
in the lock. And you've got.
So yeah, they're going to go. And you can adjust the height of the drawer if you let you got.
Yeah, because you to be fair,
I think it means you can chop and change the drawers around as well.
can move them around.
Yeah, so if you want to put the bigger drawers up the top, you can do that. And also this has got 2 places there. I mean, you can even just take it out if you wanted to. But that's pretty handy. So if you've got like some long breaker bars or something you want to stand up in there. Yeah. And that's magnetic as well. So if it's not locked, it should stay shut. Handy.
Typical hammer.
I like that worktop.
Yeah,
I think that's nice to have the top on there.
and it's in your compartments as well. So if you are taking something apart, you can have different parts and different compartments, so you know which bits go back where.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's certainly for the money.
I think £500, but like I say, obviously this is just an unboxing. We're not going to know the quality of the product until we actually start using it. In a couple of days' time, we're actually doing a really large job, which is why we ordered this now. So we'll be interested to see what comes of it. So
how the tools perform on that job.
Well, this is it and how they perform. So yeah, that was us unboxing the Nurnberg toolbox. Let us know what you think in the comments. We're quite happy. Like Aaron said, time will tell. It's not until we start using them that we're actually going to know if it's any good or not. But it come well packaged. It arrived really quickly from the seller on eBay. I think it was SDS on eBay. I will put a link in the description so you can see it. But yeah, thanks for watching and catch you soon. Thanks. So yeah, thanks for watching. Do me a favour, like, share, subscribe, etc. But yeah, catch you on the next video. Bye.